If you want to look at the difference between the types of inversion that the iPad allows, we have Smart Invert and we have Classic Invert. To find those, we can head on into display and text size again, and we can just scroll down until we can see the two of them here. The difference is that Smart Invert reduces colours on the iPad to reduce glare and eye strain while keeping images, media and most apps looking completely normal, whereas Classic Invert flips all colours completely. The Smart Invert makes text easier to read for pupils with visual sensitivities and allows them to access digital content without any distortion. By maintaining the clarity of images and graphics and app interfaces, Smart Invert supports focus, reduces visual fatigue, and ensures lessons remain fully accessible. I'm going to show you the two of them just working here, and just note the colours of the apps on the sidebar there as well. So Smart Invert, I just click that on, everything inverts, but the media and the visuals remain as they would do. I'll turn that back off. Classic Invert will flip all colours as such. I'm just going to show alongside a web page as well. Put that in there. Let's just split screen that for a second. So Classic Invert, I'll do that first this time. See, all the colours invert as well. The vision is a little bit more distorted. I'm going to turn that off, go back to Smart Invert, the media and content remains the same.